Hindus from Mohammad Akhlaq's village in Bisara have paid the cost of the marriage of two daughters of a Muslim resident of the village. 2 weeks ago, Mohammad Akhlaq, a Muslim resident of the same village, was beaten to death over rumors that he had eaten beef. The incident raised communal tension in the village, which according to Akhlaq's family was hardly present before.
कोई खाना बना रहा हो, कोई कुछ काम कर रहा हो, कोई खाना खवा रहा है, कोई पानी पिला रहा हो, सब भाग दौड़ी कर रहे हैं जी। अब जब हमारी बेटी है तो बेटी के इस ब्याह में तो रुकना पड़ेगा, काम ही करेंगे।
Hariom Sisodia rushes in with a plate of food at Hakim Khan's daughter's wedding in Bisara village as Hindus and Muslims come together to celebrate the wedding. Barely 2 weeks ago, a man was lynched in the village over rumors that he had eaten beef in his house, setting off a political war of words and considerable tension in the area. In fact, the wedding, which had been planned for some time, almost didn't take place.
क्योंकि हमसे रिश्तेदार नहीं करने लगे कि हम बिसाड़े में नहीं आ पाएंगे, कि ऐसा माहौल बिगड़ रहा है वहाँ का। तो फिर जब गांव के प्रधान ने और उन्हें बात करी तो फिर माहौल शांत करने की बात की कि हमारी जिम्मेदारी, अगर आपको कुछ भी हो ये हो उसकी हमारी जिम्मेदारी है। भूल में हुआ एक, तो हमने माहौल जैसे ही शांत होता देखा वैसे ही डेट यहाँ की फिक्स कर दी।
In the end, the wedding turned out to be a joint effort. Several Hindu families got together and paid for the food for 1,000 guests and the tent for the wedding. The police and administration gifted a sewing machine. Others chipped in with what they could afford.
आपने भी कितना यहाँ कन्यादान दिया?
मैंने 100 रुपया दिया है।
आप क्या करते हैं?
मैं तो मजदूरी करता हूँ, क्या करता हूँ।
जी कन्यादान होता है जी, यानी लड़की के लिए दान देते हैं।
हिंदू मुसलमान सब इसमें
सारे मिलजुल के हैं, अधिकतर जो है ये हिंदू ही।
पूरे गांव इलाका हमारे साथ दे रहा है, समझे नहीं? जैसे पहले से रहते आए ऐसे ही अब रह रहे हैं।
This is not just any ordinary marriage between two families, but in fact, more importantly, once again the coming together of two communities. Here in Bisar village, the attempt and the message from the community is that they are one and they are together. Just 2 weeks ago, the killing of one man had sharply divided this village and had sent shockwaves across the nation. The message 2 weeks on is that the community once again is trying to come together. In Bisra village with Mohammad Mursalin and Deepak Rajput, Siddharth Pandey for NDTV.